Naughty Dog, the famous game studio known for their Uncharted and The Last of Us series, just announced a brand new upcoming game called Intergalactic: The Heretic Prophet. Set as a sci fi epic space adventure, this game takes place on the distant planet of Semperia, whose communication went dark hundreds of years ago. You play as Jordan Munn, who is played by Tati Gabrielle. This game takes inspiration from classic anime like the 1988 movie Akira and the 1990s series Cowboy Bebop. And the music score are by 9-inch nail artist Trent Reznor and Atticus Ross. After a brief layoff, Naughty Dog underwent a restructure that would ensure the company would operate as an IP powerhouse. This game has been worked on by 250 devs over the last 4 years. According to the developers, this will be an emotional, character-driven, epic journey with the deepest gameplay in Naughty Dog's history, who take inspiration from previous franchises while pushing beyond what they have done before. What do you think of this new upcoming game from Naughty Dog?